Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to build a Kraken in Minecraft. First, gather your essential building blocks like dark prismarine, blackstone, and sea lanterns. These materials will give your Kraken a menacing, deep-sea appearance. Begin by constructing a large, circular base for the main body. Aim for a diameter of about 25 blocks to ensure your Kraken is truly massive and impressive. This foundation is crucial for the overall scale. Next, focus on shaping the Kraken's body. Build upwards from your base, gradually tapering the structure to create a more organic, creature-like form. Once the body has a good volume, move on to crafting the head. Design a distinct and fearsome head shape, ensuring it looks powerful and ancient. Don't forget to add glowing eyes using glowstone or sea lanterns to give your Kraken an eerie, watchful presence in the dark. Now, let's bring your Kraken to life with its iconic tentacles. Design 8 long, winding tentacles that extend dynamically from the main body. Vary the length and curvature of each one to create a sense of natural movement and aggression. For added detail, place buttons or black concrete blocks along the underside of the tentacles to represent suckers. This will make your Kraken look even more authentic and terrifying as it emerges from the depths. To complete your Minecraft Kraken, add some final touches. Enhance the surrounding environment with custom water features, kelp, and coral blocks to make it feel truly submerged. For advanced builders, consider using command blocks to create animated effects, like moving tentacles or bubbling water, bringing your creation to an even higher level of immersion. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. This will make your Kraken a truly legendary build in your Minecraft world, ready to inspire awe and fear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.